Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. You know, out there we discuss the TM30, we discuss 90-day reporting, then we oftentimes discuss new developments coming down the pike, as it were, with regard to Thai immigration. And I thought of making this video after reading a recent comment when we were talking about TM30 previously in another video. And a commenter brought up something interesting to my mind that made me think a little bit, quoting directly. Also, why can't they get a user group of customers and staff and beta test new processes under NDA to find out, does this work? Does it help solve a problem? Does it cause unintended consequences? Good question. I think that's a pretty valid question. You know, oftentimes I wonder this myself, frankly, because immigration will make announcements that will fundamentally change things. It will have a pretty substantial impact on certain expats here in Thailand, folks that are in long-term visa status. And it often makes me wonder, you know, would it maybe have been a better idea to maybe test this out before implementing it? Now, I'm not saying this with necessarily everything. Again, immigration policy is going to change over time. That's a given. We're going to have to deal with that. Just kind of suck it up, and that's the way it is. But long story short, yeah, I think there is something to be said, especially moving forward, especially with digital programs, to maybe do some testing on it before just sort of rolling it out and saying, oh, hey, general public, hey, expats, deal with it. I think there's something to be said for that. Now, again, will that happen? Hard to say. If it did happen, I could also see circumstances where they're testing it in one place, so what works in one place doesn't necessarily work in another. So I could see other unintended consequences sort of coming as a result of implementing that kind of policy. Generally speaking, I kind of take the position when it comes to any kind of immigration policy, and this is anywhere around the world, generally speaking, no news is good news.